Good evening, everyone. Hope I am audible to all. Yes, if yes, put audible message here in the chat so I can understand. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Okay, welcome to the final day of this free 5 days master class. Okay, you already know that. Already I have extended from 5 days to 10 days, and then again okay, I have given the 3 more days. That means or this 5 days Java masterclass free masterclass becomes the 13 days free Java masterclass. Okay, and hope okay everyone okay, whatever the time you guys have invested here, okay, that time you invested here, okay, you got the return, okay, that was expected. Yes. So if you got the return, okay, return whatever you have time invested over here. So put a yes here in the chat. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And again, this is the crucial day. Okay. This is the final day for this free Java master class. Okay. I'm going to conduct, and here basically I'm going to talk about the artificial intelligence. Okay, I'm going to provide you the demo. I'm going to provide you the demo through which how efficiently you can write the code with the help of the AI, how you can debug the code, okay, with the help of the AI. And if you want to go for some testing field, okay, or if you want to understand someone's code, okay, so how AI will help you, okay, to understand already written someone written the code, okay, that I'm going to discuss here. Okay, after that one, if you have to go for some learning plan, okay, so how AI is going to help you, okay, so to design your entire schedule of the learning, okay, that I'm going to discuss, okay, and that is with the help of the AI. And again, for example, if you have to go for the okay some interviews basically, okay, so for that interview, if you have to prepare the interview and assume like after 5 days, after 10 days, okay, that interview is going to happen. So how you can plan your day so that in next 10 days you will be a completely prepared very well, okay, to crack that particular interview. So that even I'm just going to discuss over here. Okay, so with that one, okay, those some always people, I'm going to introduce some okay new AIs too. Okay, I'm just going to introduce you guys. So I think okay many knows the chat GPTs. Okay, in the yesterday's only I just asked you, so those knows the chat GPT, you can just put a messages here in the GPT, and I understood that okay many of you knows the chat GPT. Okay, but chat GPT is not only the your AI in the market. Okay, there are so many other AIs. Okay, even we can use the free version of that one too, okay, to help our programming journey, okay, to make great success of our programming journey. And that is I'm going to discuss over here into the last day. Okay, so entire session is on the AI. Okay, no doubt I'm going to write the Java code. I am going to write the Java code, simple Java code to the complex Java code. I'm going to write, okay, and that will be written with the help of the AI. Okay, so through this demonstration, you will be able to understand that, okay, how AI will assist us, how AI will help us, okay, to become the efficient programmer, to become the efficient tester, to become the efficient analyst. Okay, like that one. Okay, multiple profiles, for the multiple profiles. Okay, that how AI will assist. Okay, no doubt that will be a not that much detail, because 1.5 hours is not enough to discuss all these things. Okay, for me actually at least 2 to 3 days needed. Okay, if you have to go for the integration of like we do have the Copilot. Okay, we do have the Copilot, one of the AI, and that Copilot you can integrate with the Eclipse. So you don't need to go outside other website and then put your whatever the problem and the solutions like that one. So with your Eclipse project you can integrate your one of the AI, that is the Copilot, and through that one, okay, whatever the solutions you required, okay, that it can suggest us. Okay, and if there is any issues, any problems in your code, okay, even that, for that it will support us. Okay, so in there are the many ways through that one. Okay, AI comes in our picture, in our developers life as well as the testers life, not only for the professionals but also for the student. Okay, AI is going to rock our our life is getting changed. Okay, if you are going to learn this one. Yes. So that is what basically I just want to discuss into the today's session. Okay, but yesterday we have discussed all the learning path, everything, and I told you, okay, that already told you this is going to be a last session for this free master class. Okay, if you wants to learn more, like some advanced Java, okay, or the advanced project concept, or even some frameworks like a Spring, Hibernate, okay, front end concept like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. With that one, if you are interested for the libraries like Bootstrap or the jQuery, or if you are interested to learn the framework like Angular or the React, okay, you can let us know. You can put, okay, into the WhatsApp chat. Okay, I'm going to help you. Okay, in that sense. Okay, but this daily whatever in 13 days basically we guys have invested, okay, that is going to, okay, the completed here. Okay, so let's enjoy the session. And one more important thing I just want to tell you here. Okay, whether you are going to, okay, join the Nitin sir's next sessions or not. Okay, it is not compulsory. Yeah, it is not compulsory that, okay, compulsory you have to okay, attend the Nitin sir's other sessions. Okay, it is not compulsory, okay, to, okay, buy the my other sessions. No problem. Okay, you are learning from me or learning from any other one. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. Nitin sir is not important. Okay, even, okay, whoever use your mentor, that is not important. You are the important. You are the important. Your learning is important. Your upgradation is important. Okay, so whatever you guys have decided, okay, or whatever the path I shown you in last these 13 days, okay, on that path one you just simply have to walk. Okay, you have to build yourself in a such a way that, okay, your ability to learn and upgrade yourself is getting increased day by day, and that will help you to be get succeed in your life. Okay, that is I just want to say you. Okay, so learning from Nitin sir is not important if you don't like my style of the teaching. If you don't want, even though if you like my style, but still if you don't want to go with me, that is absolutely fine. That is absolutely okay. Just stay connected, and whenever you need any help, you can just put the messages to the Nitin sir. Okay, no doubt, as I get the time I will come back to you. Okay, I will come back to you. But those are getting connected, okay, for the next sessions, basically for the advanced topic, no doubt. Okay, daily like this one only I'm going to connect with you, and whatever the problems you have related to the technology, okay, related to your career path, related to your academics, okay, related to your jobs, okay, whatever the problem, okay, you have, that is not yours problem, okay, that is the Nitin sir's problem. You can just frankly speak with Nitin sir. Okay, you can talk with me, and I am here to support you. I'm here to help you. Yes? Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes. If okay, just quickly put here in the chat. Yes. Okay, sir. You can just put here in the chat. It is okay that you are joining Nitin sir or not. Okay, stay connected. Nitin sir, okay, is going to always help you guys. Okay, but dedicated time, everything will be given. Those are, okay, those are joining Nitin sir for the next, okay, your life journey, for your next. Okay, please go on mute. Who is? I am just going to unmute you. Okay. Yes. Okay. So no worries. Okay. So that was the completely message. So again, you can ask, those are not joined. Okay. For the today's session. Okay. Even few have first two sessions have joined. Okay. If someone is your friend, you can ask them. If they want to continue, you can just join for the next batch, which is starting from the 16th of this month, basically 16th Feb. That means, or the, okay, this is the Sunday, I think. And attending the Sunday's session is important, okay, to go for the, to go for the 5 days, or even, you know, that that will be not 5 days. Okay, it will be a more than that one. Okay, but it will be not like the this one batch, because only the enrolled and the registered people are going to attend. Those are attending the first session, only them are eligible to attend the further sessions. So that kind of a system I'm just going to build. Okay, so thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much for your patience and listening me very patiently. Yes, before starting with, okay, I just want to hear from you. Okay, if you want that any particular Java topic you want to learn from me, okay, it is okay whether you are going to joining Nitin sir, okay, future sessions or not, it is okay. If you are not joining, that is okay. You can just put here in the chat, Nitin sir, this is the Java, core Java topic. Okay, I want to learn. I tried somewhere, but okay, we couldn't understood. Okay, so can you explain? I'm going to explain to you guys. So you can put here into the chat. Okay, but remember, those are going to join the Nitin sir's further advanced sessions. Okay, this complete core Java, as I promise you, okay, that completely going to be a free for you. Okay, from the very basic to the all the advanced core Java topic that I'm going to discuss. Okay, everyone knows that, everyone knows that. Okay, core Java, if you are going to the any institute to learn, okay, there are the ranges, there it ranges from the, okay, 3,000 to 7,000 rupees. Okay, but remember here, okay, remember here, uh, even Nitin sir last 10 years back even taken the 5,000 for the core Java. How much? 5,000 rupees. Even I have one student here, okay, who is going to actually here is because, okay, he have just changed the, okay, the technology, but he already learned the some technologies from me, and he knows that, okay, Nitin sir already have charged the 5,000 for only the core Java, 5,000 for the advanced Java, 5,000 for the Hibernate JPA ORM. Okay, like that one. And again, new features of the Java. That means what, from Java 8 to Java 23. That was not that time. Okay, I have not covered that one. So that was one course actually. Okay, I have started. That is the new feature of the Java, which is again have the cost of the 5,000. Okay, so you can observe here. Okay, just for the few minutes, you can just see here. Okay, we have the core Java. Okay, and that complete core Java, it is the complete core Java. I charge even the 10 years back. Okay, that is the 5,000 rupees. Okay, Indian rupees, like this one. Okay, then after, okay, if I'm going for the advanced Java, okay, advanced Java, okay, that too I have charged, okay, that is what, again the 5,000 rupees. Okay, so I have charged this one. Then if you are going for the JPA, okay, in a bracket ORM, that means what, it is the Hibernate framework actually. Hibernate framework, okay, framework, and that is again I have already charged the people, okay, that is for the 5,000 rupees. Okay, 5,000 rupees. Okay, then after, okay, we have the projects, basically two projects I am going to take here related to the advanced Java. And even like before when I started the icons, that time for the project, okay, I have charged like the 6,000 rupees, which I charge, okay, 6,000 for the single project basically. And remember, I never give the ready-made project. I help people to learn. Okay, so anybody can able to create their project, okay, by their own. So if you are the college student, okay, you don't need to buy any project. You are going to learn things in a such a way that you can create your own project from the scratch, and whenever you are going for the interview, you can explain that college project. Okay, so that is very much important, basically that very much important. So let me share my screen. I think I have not shared the screen. Okay, so you are not able to see this. Hope everyone is able to see the screen. If it is visible, just quickly put a messages here in the chat. Yes, visible. Quickly put a message here in the chat. Yes, visible. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, no sir, it's not visible. Priyanka, please check. Sakshi, yes, it's visible. Okay, Siddesh is saying visible. Priyanka, please check your network. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you can see, okay, for the core Java, there will be a 5,000 rupees. For the advanced Java, there will be a 5,000 rupees. Okay, for the JPA ORM, there will be a 5,000 rupees. For the Java 2 project, even 10 years back, okay, I have charged even the 6,000 rupees for that. Okay, with that one, okay, with that one, we need some SQL things, basically structured query language. And for that one too, okay, I have charged the 5,000 rupees. Okay, that is the Indian, okay, rupees which I'm putting. So how much it is? Okay, 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000. So it is completely, I think, 26,000 rupees. And plus that one, okay, I have started with the Java new features, okay, where I'm going to discuss all the concept, okay, from Java 8 to Java 23 version. Okay, and this course is again, okay, we have that, okay, that is what the 5,000 rupees. Yes, so these are the courses basically, okay, I'm just charging right now. But okay, you all have attended, okay, you all have attended the Niteen sir session, okay, for the 13 days. You have attended this one for the 13 days. You have given your time, okay, you have given your efforts, okay. And again, this is the very first actually free master class I have conducted. Okay, and because of that, okay, this batch becomes the very special for me. This batch becomes the very special for me. So if you observe here, okay, if you observe the total, it becomes completely, I think, okay, 10, okay, 20, okay, then 30, I think it is the 31,000 rupees. Okay, 31,000 rupees. Okay, this is the total of this. After that one, you can observe, after that you can observe, okay, that interview preparation. Yesterday I talked about your 56 common interview questions, okay, that you can prepare. So without even okay, basic knowledge of the English, if you are not comfortable with the communication, you don't have the confidence about the English communication, and because of that fear you are not able to face the interviews. I am going to prepare you for the interview. So I do have the course interview preparation. And even when I goes for the college, I'm charging this one as a 10,000 rupees. I'm charging this one as a 10,000 rupees for the interview preparation. With that one, I am just going to design your resume preparation. And this resume preparation, basically I'm just simply charging the people with a 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. So you can see this 31 plus for the technology, and this is for the interview preparation and the resume preparation. So you can see all these things become, I think, 30 plus 10, 41 total. It becomes 42,000 rupees basically. If someone is going one by one to one like this one. Yes, but I want to give you this one, all the things with a very, 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 very offer price. Even you are not going to imagine that. You are not going to imagine that. So that is actually the value which I'm going to provide you. That is actually the value I'm going to provide you. With that one, you guys are getting my Java free book. Even I'm going to provide you in this one, Java free book, and it have the 500 rupees. So again, that means 400 rupees, like, so that again, it is going to increase that one. But this will be not a total amount which I'm going to charge. I'm going to charge you a very chiller amount, but I want to teach you all these things. That means what? Complete core Java, not only the things which we have covered, but a single topic from the core Java will be not missed into this one. And as I promised everyone, I'm going to teach you the core Java complete Java, and that will be a free. So this 5,000 I'm not going to take in that. I'm not going to consider that one. Even the advanced features, actually these new features, that 5,000 I consider that one into the core Java. So that complete 10,000 even I'm not going to charge. So this will be a zero. Core Java's amount will be a zero only. So this is completely free. I'm going to give you. Exactly your Java book 2, Java book. That is again you are getting completely free. And with that one, I just have the lifetime recording, lifetime recording access. So those are getting this offer. Basically these students are getting lifetime recording access of my all these things which you are going to attend. So if by any chance you miss any session, if you miss any session, no worries. You will get the recording. You can just go through that one, so that next day, by watching that one, you can just join the session, so that there will be no something missing over there. And completely everything will be online. It will be not in your college time or your company's time. If you are working professional, even it will be a before that or after that one. If you are a college student, even that will be before that, after that one. Yes, so this is basically I do have the plan for you guys. And the amount you guys can see, it is around this one, but it is not that one which we have decided. So this one, basically this one we can just discuss, we can just discuss. So can you guys tell me, if some other institute or somewhere you guys are taking this course, where you will get this, what will be the cost? Can you put here in the chat if you knows anything, or if you guys have searched anywhere? Yes. And I can see the Riddhi have put it, sir, can you please explain the database connectivity on in a project? So Riddhi, database connectivity, for that one, you must know the SQL part, as well as you must know the JDBC part, database connectivity part. Okay, so through that, okay, you can able to connect with the database. Okay, we'll try that one too. But I just want here that if you are attending this one part, which one? JPA ORM part. If you are able to JPA ORM part, here you can see, even though you are not comfortable with the SQL, if you are not comfortable with the MySQL, if you don't know the JDBC, okay, you don't need to know about anything related to the database, but still, okay, with the help, knowledge of the JPA ORM Hibernate, okay, you can easily connect with the database with a few lines of code, very few lines of a code. Okay, but for a sake of understanding here, I can give you a demo related to the JDBC too. No worries. Yes, yes, can anybody put here in the chat, okay, what is your understanding, okay, related to this one? If someone is charging for this one, what must be the cost? Because see, whenever Nitin sir teaching anything, okay, to the student, actually my all the programs cost is decided by the student only. I never come with any plan like, okay, I'm just going to sell this one, okay, with my student, okay, with this price. That is, I never did one. Okay, so I usually consult with my student, okay, and according to their research, according to their market, okay, whoever is giving the, okay, that particular price in the market, I always charge at least 1,000 rupees less. But here it will be not a 1,000 less. Okay, that will be a too much. Even you are not able to go, you can't imagine, okay, what is the offer by price. Okay, I'm just going to provide you here. Okay, yes, can you quickly put here what must be the offer price for this? Anybody, I want to hear from you. If you are not, okay, aware about any costing like this, okay, you can say sir can't say, you can just put like that. But if you knows, okay, something, if you are in the mind, then you can put here in the chat. Okay, you can think through. I'm just skipping this one topic, and I'm going for the showing you the AI part, okay, with the Java. Okay, so no worries. Okay, don't worry. And it, remember again what I'm saying. Whatever I'm presenting to you here, okay, it is not compulsory. If you want to, if you want to buy, if you think that, okay, this is useful to you, okay, you can buy this one. If you think that, okay, it is not useful to you in any ways, okay, it is okay, it is okay, no problem. There is no any burden, no worries. Just be here, learn everything, try to understand everything, and leave the session happily. Because see, happiness is important. I'm not going to put, I don't want to put any burden on you. Okay, you can think through that. Okay, you can go through that one. You can just understand that. Okay, that is okay. Buying my course is not a compulsory, but by buying through this one, okay, you are going to, okay, going to get add into my actually internal group. Okay, that is the public group where I have added you guys. Okay, but there will be an internal group that we can consider as a VIP students. Okay, to them basically I'm going to help, okay, for their every problem related to the technology, okay, related to their job. Okay, and for them basically whatever the references I do have. So for example, if my alumni, any other, okay, older student told me that Nitin sir, in my company I do have the 5 requirements. Okay, so can you send your student, can you send your student to that particular job openings? Okay, so I send my VIP group students only. I send only VIP group student, and even that will be considered very personally. That personal communication will be get happen. Okay, personally check the status of learning of that particular candidate, and if he or she is eligible, okay, then only, okay, they are going to send, okay, for that particular job. Okay, so that is getting happen here. That is getting happen here. Okay, but if you are not taking, that is okay. you can just join the next sessions. You can think through that. Okay, and these are not only the part which I'm going to conduct here. Okay, you know that. Okay, with the web services, the microservices, Spring Boot, Spring Framework, that entire technology, okay, to stack, I'm just going to teach you. But that is not included, because this course actually I'm just going to put you in the offer price. Okay, so that is actually I just want to hear from you. Okay, so what can be price in your mind, if you have any? Okay, otherwise can't say, you can just put into the chat. Okay, I'm just going for the next very important, okay, topic. Okay, that is what the chat GPT, okay, that we can just use for the software development. And not only the chat GPT, I do have the another AIs basically, and that AIs will help you to change your life. That AI is also going to change your life. Okay, so first point, okay, first point, I just want to discuss with the AI. Okay, what is that? So how to generate okay code, how to generate a code, or you can say how to write a simple to advanced okay logic using AI, using AI, that is the artificial intelligence. Okay, so any question, even if you are a beginner, okay, or you are the very advanced pro programmer, okay, this will going to help you. This is going to help you. Just whenever you are writing any okay, you are getting help from the AI. Okay, you have to select the AI. Okay, and very famous and the common AI, okay, you know that. Okay, you do have the okay chat GPT, chat okay GPT, okay chat GPT. And believe me, okay, since last one and a half years basically, since last 1.5 years, my students are using the chat GPT, okay, for the software development, for the project development. And because of this chat GPT, okay, if the particular logic, if you have to write, and for that logic writing, if you need the 2 hours, assume if some complex logic is there, and for that one, if you need the 2 hours, chat GPT can write that logic within a fraction of seconds. So you can think how much time it is saving, how much time it is saving, okay, with the help of the chat GPT, with the help of the chat GPT basically. Okay, so for example, very simply, I'm just going to write one, okay, very simple program, okay, which already we have tried. Okay, by using a simple okay writing. Okay, we open the notepad or into the Eclipse, and there we have to write same thing. Okay, we just have to do here. Okay, so what I am going to write, okay, we have to open the chat GPT, and on that one you have to write the prompt. Now whenever you are writing the prompt, that prompt must be accurate. Okay, that you can write into the your language only. Okay, whatever the your language or whatever your English, okay, basic to advanced, in that one you can just write. Chat GPT will understand whatever you want to write. Okay, just go specific to that one, go in detail. Okay, go to the specific of your problem. So for example, see, I just want to check the given number is prime or not. Okay, I just want to check whether given number is prime or not. Okay, so for that one, I have to write one. Okay, I have to write a class, I have to write a program, and for that program we have to run. Okay, but that I'm not going to write. I will ask the chat GPT. Okay, to do that for me. So here you can just simply see. Okay, I just want to see, chat GPT is the AI. Actually, it is like your friend. So for example, okay, if you have your friend and he knows how to write the prime number, how you can ask him, hey, my dear friend, can you write the logic for me? Okay, can you write the logic for me to check whether given integer number is prime number or not? like that one only here. Okay, you can consider your chat GPT. That when I was okay, last year actually I was working with corporate. Basically there one another trainer was there. Okay, so she was not aware about the chat GPT. She was not aware about the chat GPT, and she was doing something actually, and she was getting error. She was not able to solve that problem since even 2 3 hours basically. Okay, I just saw her and asked her what happened. So she's saying, see, this thing actually I'm trying since last 2 to 3 hours basically, and it is not getting solved. Can you help me? Okay, so I just told her that, okay, I'm not going to help you, but I will give you one friend. Okay, you can just talk to him and he will solve your question, or she will solve your question. Okay, so she initially gets surprised because she was not aware about this anything. Okay, then I just asked her, okay, to open the browser. On that one, just go to the search the chat GPT. Okay, there, okay, after without registration even it works. Okay, with registration, okay, I asked her to register. Okay, and I asked her that, okay, this chat GPT is your friend now. Same thing previously, before the chat GPT, everything we were putting on the Google. Everyone were putting on the Google, and putting on the Google was a difficult things basically, because a Google shows the multiple answers, and from that one, every answer you have to check. You have to check, and then you have to check, then you have to put, okay, you have to okay, that debug whether it is working fine or not, like that one cross checking thing. But chat GPT can give you a single answer. Okay, no doubt, even chat GPT can give a wrong answer to her. If your prompt is wrong, chat GPT even can give the wrong answers. Okay, not only the chat GPT, okay, you can have the other, like okay, we have the Gemini. Okay, that is also another one, okay, famous basically the AI. If you can check, use the chat GPT, or you can use the Gemini. That is also the AI. Okay, but rather than this one, I'm going to introduce you another one. Okay, I do have. Okay, after this one, I'm going to show you that even that you can use. That you can use. And even, okay, yesterday I told you that for the presentation too, you have some different AI, and even free, without paying a single rupee, you can work with that. Without paying single rupee, you can work with that. Okay, so let's go through the chat GPT. Make the chat GPT our friend in the, okay, our software journey, okay, our IT journey, okay, our job gaining journey. Okay, it help us so with in the so much aspect. Okay, it is the very smart enough basically, and if your friend is smart enough, definitely you becomes the smart. If actually one thought I came in mind by observing just this. Okay, if you are staying with your 5 friends, huh? If you have the 5 friends, remember this thought and listen carefully what I'm saying. If you have the 5 friends, if you have the 5 friends, and 4 friends got the job, what I'm saying, 4 friends got the job, then one day definitely you will get a job. What I'm saying, see, if you are the 5 friends and 4 people, 4 friends are already in the job, so one day you becomes a 5th member who is having a job. I just go ahead one step. If you have the 5 friends, and from that one, 4 having the package greater than the 10, definitely one day you become a person with package greater than 10. Huh. This is very important. This is very important to understand. Okay, so even if you have the friend, if you have the friend, okay, if you have the friend with a BMWs, 4 friend with a BMW, yeah? You have the group, okay, close group, and 4 having the BMW. One day you will have the BMW. Think through this. Think through this. Okay, so like that one only. Okay, you have the learning attitude persons, definitely, okay, you will become the learning attitude person. And if you have the learning attitude, if you have the ability to learn and upgrade yourselves, then nobody can stop you to get into the success. Yes, so here too, when you have the ChatGPT as your friend, and ChatGPT is a problem solver, any problem in your life can be solved by the ChatGPT, and hence make this ChatGPT as a new generation friend. Okay, others friend I don't know, but they make this one as a your friend. So if I just have to check whether number is prime or not. Okay, so if number is, what is meant by prime? If number is divisible by any number, if number is divisible by divisible, then that number is a prime number. And if number is not divisible, number is not a prime number. So for example, you can consider as a 7. Is it divisible by any other number? No. So we can say it is the prime. Okay, it is the prime number basically. It is the prime number. Okay, if I say 19, is it divisible by any other number? No. So it is the prime number. It is the prime number. It is the prime number. Okay, if you want to, okay, if you want to say 15, is it a prime number? Yes, it is the prime number because it is divisible by 3. Because it is the divisible by 3. So any number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as a prime number. And I have to write a program, write a Java, okay, program, okay, which will check whether given number is prime number or not. Okay, so this is only this one. And if without a ChatGPT, if you have to write a, okay, then I'm just going to write a method. Okay, you can just, or even class, I can write a class. Okay, I can give the name as a prime. And in that one, we can just put a logic here. In that, we can have the method as a public void, okay, small prime method. Okay, in that one, I'm going to write an integer number. And then here actually you have to write the logic. What is the logic? Okay, I have to write a for, okay, integer I is equals to 2. Why I'm not starting from the 1? Because every number is divisible by 1. So why I'm going to check? So I'm going to check, now is it number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that one. And then I'm just going to write a I is equal to G2. Is it I less than, okay, equals to number divided by 2, or I just say less than number divide by 2, and I can just write a I plus plus. This is a chiller logic basically. Okay, I can just discuss, and here in that one I'm just going to check if number mod 2 is equals to 0, that not a number mod 2, number mod I, is it equals to 0? If number mod I is equals to 0, we have to write yes, boolean flag is equals to true. Okay, and there only I'm just going to write the break. Okay, if you are not able to understand, that is okay. Okay, that is perfectly okay, no problem, just see. Okay, by default I'm just making boolean flag, boolean, I'm just writing a flag, and by default value of that one is a false. Okay, and this is done. Now when you are coming out, I'm just going to check if flag is equals to true. If a flag is equal to true, you can just simply told here that yes, system.out.println, system.out.println, it's a prime. It's a, we can say prime. And else, you can just write a else, it's not a prime. Okay, I can just write a here. Okay, into the system.out.println, you can write a not a prime, not a, we can say prime, not a prime. Like this one only, I just have written the code, and you can see this will work. Okay, if you want to check, I just copy this code, Control C. Okay, we'll go here into the, okay, Eclipse. I just go here into the Eclipse. Okay, I don't want this one. Okay, one important thing actually, I'm just going to show you that too, with a related to the AI. So I'm just going to create a world map. Okay. It is giving the error actually and loading basically. So just wait for the few minutes. Okay, what I will do, as Eclipse is taking the time, so I will just go here to the notepad. What happened? What happened? I close and reopen it, but still it is okay. No problem. Actually, so many things I have opened here, and because of that one, okay, it is taking the time to be get loaded. Okay, no problem. I'm just going to close this one and want to create our program, prime program. Just wait for the few more minutes. Once it is get loaded, actually before that I just tried a few more things basically, and that is the reason. Okay, it is taking time to be get loaded. Okay, I just go here to the notepad. Okay, I'm writing the new. Okay, there only I'm just putting this control V. Okay, this is the public class. I'm just writing a public class. Okay, I was thinking that okay, it will work there, system dot out dot print eln. Okay, there only I'm just putting this same, only here I can write a system dot out dot print eln. Okay, and there only we can just write this one. This is my simple class. Okay, we can just save this one with the name as a prime dot java. Okay, and okay, you can see here basically I just have this one I'm saving. Okay, I can just write a prime dot java there itself. Okay, where in the java free master class I can just save this. Okay, this is one class actually I have created. Okay, it is I think done. I will retry this. Okay. Okay, so first prime dot java, it is already there. In that one, if I don't want to write that one, okay, inside this one, but actually it is taking time. So public static void main in bracket, we can have the string args of array, and there we are just going to create an object of prime class. Okay, so prime obj is equals to new. Okay, we do have the prime as an object created, and then I'm just going to write obj dot small prime, and in that, in a bracket, I'm just going to write here the 19, and you know that the 19 is not a prime number. Control yes, I have saved this one, and then I'm just going for the notepad here only. There I can write a sorry, a command prompt. Okay, I'm just writing a Java, and there p prime.java, and I can just directly running this one, and you can see that that is the little complex logic by using the for loop. Okay, I have written, it is saying that semicolon is expected in the code. No problem, we'll just quickly remove that error and we'll go. Okay, so here, okay, I have missed the semicolon. Control yes, no worries, getting the error is okay. Okay, and now I just pass the 19, and you can observe it is a prime, it is saying it is a prime, that is, it is not divisible by any other number. But here if I'm saying 15, okay, if I'm saying 15, I just saved and just try to re-execute the code. You can observe, okay, it will say, it will simply say that, okay, it's okay, why it's a prime, 15, okay, what if not, okay, sorry, written the one, it was the I. Sorry, sorry. See, like this one only, I just have to do this. Okay, running, and you can observe now. Okay, it will say what happened. Java, it's a prime number. For I is equal to 2, I less than number divide by 2. Okay, and I plus plus. If number mod I is equals to 0, flag becoming a true, and it will be a break. So it will come out of a loop. Okay, if it is the flag true, then it will comes into this, else it is going for the, okay, and by default boolean flag is equal to false, I have written. Okay, so when I am just going for, it is 15, 15 divided by 2, okay, it is the 7 only, it is the 7, so it will check for the 2, 3. Okay, and it is going there, and it is checking, is it a flag is equal to true. Okay, sorry, here we have to make it as the true, and here we have to make it as the false, because see, if it is the, we are saying true, that means what, it is divisible, and if it is divisible, how it is the prime. Okay, so I'm just making, if a flag is equal to true, that means what, it is not entered here, so that means it is prime, and else it is a not prime. That is what the logic basically, you can see the simple logic. Basically I just simply tried, and even I need to think through on that, I need to think through on that, and you can observe. Okay, again there is a error. Okay, because semicolon is missed. Control yes, true, and here we have the false. I just put the semicolon again, and now I think it will work fine. Okay, so I tried this one again, and you can see, observe, variable flag, okay, is false. Spelling of the false is yes, false. Control yes, reading the error is important, so I just read this and try to rerun again. Okay, and you can see it is a not a prime, and if I am passing here again like a 19 here, control yes, and you can observe there is a prime number. So like this one, okay, like this one we tried the code, and it is working as a fine. You can see, even I am trying this one, and it is taking that much time, it is taking that much time. Now we can just quickly move to the, okay, AI. Okay, I do have the AI over here, okay, which I tried here. You can observe it is the ChatGPT. Okay, I have tried, and in that I'm just going, can write here, I can just tell, hey ChatGPT, can you try this one for me? So here, okay, manage ChatGPT. You just have to open, search the ChatGPT, enroll yourself, register yourself for the ChatGPT, and okay, basic version of that one is free. Okay, you can just see. So ChatGPT, I'm just writing. Okay, write a Java program, okay, with a class. Okay, I can just write a prime, having small prime method, small prime method, with one integer argument to check whether given number is prime number or not. Okay, prime number or not. Okay, just you have to write. Okay, if you want main method, you can just write, like you can specify your requirement. Okay, I can just run the from here. Okay, I'm starting from here, and you know that. Okay, it will take a few seconds. Okay, to do write that one code. Okay, here is a Java program with a prime class which contains the prime method. This takes the check whether number is prime number or not. And you can observe, yes, class prime, okay, with a public boolean prime. Even ChatGPT have given the more better code than me. Okay, because okay, it returns the return type of that one is boolean, and that boolean check I'm just going to do here. So is it a prime or not? Like that one, it is decided over here. It is a decided over here only. So you as a programmer, okay, you as a programmer, you have to just understand which one code you can copy and from where. You can just copy which one code from where. And hence, okay, you have the copy option. I'm just copy this control. Okay, that is copy. You can just go here. Actually, I can just go to the Eclipse now. Okay, going to the new package, right click over here. Hope it will work fine now. Okay, once it is started working, then it will work absolutely fine. If it is not, then I need to again switch to the notepad only. I tried few things, okay, to get the library, and because of that, it is taking time to load, but it is okay. I have the class. Okay, I can just give the name. Okay, you must know where to put and what. Okay, that is important. Where you have to make the changes. Okay, that must be understood to you. If you understood that, then nothing is there. You can see, okay, here is the package. Okay, I can just say the package name is num. Num is what? Numbers related things. I'm just going to try over here. And name of a class is the prime only. I'm just trying. Okay, I just finished this. I just finished this. I'm just finished this. Okay, I'm just finished this. And you can observe. Okay, this is my class is complete. Now you must remember like where to paste your class. So because I need the package, so I'm not going to put over here, but I can just paste over here. You can see control V, and there only, okay, I can just have my code, this one. Okay, so com.icons nums, in that one I have written the prime method. Number is less than 1, return false. If it is not, okay, then it is just checking I is equal to 2. Okay, like that one only logic they tried. Okay, and okay, they have some different logic. Here my logic is something different which I tried. But anyways, okay, we are just going to check whether number is prime number or not, and that I have written this. Main method is there, I just copied, and we can start running this one. So even complex kind of code, ChatGPT can write. Complex kind of code. Okay, I just store here. Okay, and we'll try to rerun. Okay, this one, right click. Okay, there only I just go here. Okay, Java application. And in that one, they have the number as a 29. Okay, even though with the errors proceed, I'm just checking. And 29 is again, okay, it is a prime number. 29 is the prime number. Okay, that we are trying to execute over here. Yes, and our answer must be yes, it is the prime, because we were checking if divisible, it's not. If it is divisible, it is not prime. If it's not divisible, then it is the prime only. So we are trying, and yes, we are saying yes, 29 is a prime number. For just understanding, I'm just putting this one as a 15. Okay, and you know that, okay, it is not a prime number. So I'm rerunning my application, Java application, rerunning this one. Okay, now it will be executed quickly. You can observe. And 15 is not a prime number, it is saying. So the logic, That means that by using the AI, you can quickly generate the code. You can quickly generate the code. Okay, so that is very important thing. Basically, you can just do, okay, with the help of the AI. Basically, that is the ChatGPT, and that is, I said, how to generate the code or how to write a simple to advanced logic using the AI. Okay, using the AI. Now here, okay, if I do have the second one important thing you can do with the help of the AI. Assume you have some code, okay, which is written by someone, and you want to understand that code. Then how you are going to? So just understand, okay, code, what I'm saying, understand existing code, basically code. Okay, so if I do have some code, so for example, exactly the code, okay, which we have written just now. Okay, whatever the code we have written just now, so this code basically we have, so we want to understand what exactly it is doing. So control C. Okay, I just go here, okay, to the chat GPT again, and there I am just putting here control V. Okay, this one code actually I just have put it here, and there only at the last I'm trying to say, please, like our friend, please explain code step by step. This is actually the prompt I have put it. And if I'm writing this one, please explain the code step by step. So you can see easily, okay, you can see easily, okay, that will explain our code. So you can, it is taking the time which we have written this code. Okay, and assume by observing the code, we don't understand what is exactly happening to that. So if we don't understand, you can just ask ChatGPT that what exactly it is doing. Okay, and it is saying explanation of the prime method step by step, basically it is saying. And it is saying that yes, public boolean prime integer. It simply says that it is the method signature. Public boolean prime in bracket integer number is the signature. There it is been given that this method is a public, so it can be accessed from anywhere. The method returns the boolean value, that is a true if number is prime and false if it is not a prime. Then you can observe the next, it takes one integer argument, okay, as a number, which is the number to be get checked. That means what the number which I have to check whether it is a prime number or not. That we can just simply pass. That we can simply pass to that particular method, and that method is going to tell you, okay, that whether this number is prime or not. Okay, this number is prime or not. Okay, so this is about the signature of this one. So first line of that one, it has been explained. Okay, then here you can observe, okay, handling the numbers less than or equals to 1. So if any user can give any number, okay, to check whether it is prime or not. So here we are simply checking if any number which is less than 1 or equals to 1, that can be a 0, 1, -1, like that one. So we are not going to tell them that it is the prime number. So if it is less than or equals to 1, we are checking number less than or equals to 1 or not. So there we are checking why prime numbers are defined as a number greater than 1, that are only divisible by 1 and themselves. So the number which is greater than 1 can be a prime. 1 or less than 1 cannot be a prime number. So only at the starting only we are just checking, yes, is it this number is less than or equals to 1? Okay, then only just go for the checking for the divisibility. Otherwise here too it is going to return the value. So if number is less than or equals to 1, okay, or negative number, it is not a prime, and because of that one it is returning that one. Okay, so it is giving number 0 not prime, number 1 not prime, number is equal to -1 not prime. Okay, like that you can go ahead logging from the 2 to 4. Okay, so here if I have looping from the 2 to okay, so I have to go to the, okay, from 2 to the, okay, 2 to the half of that particular number, basically. And for that one logic it is started. So we are not starting from the 1. Why? Because already every number is divisible by 1. So why to check by 1? So we have to start from the 2. So we have started with the 2. Okay, no composite. Smallest prime number is 2. So we started checking the divisibility by 2. Okay, why use I star I into I less than equals to number, instead of I less than equals to number, divide by, okay, 2, which is my logic. So logic can, everyone can have a different logic. Everyone can have the different logic. Okay, so I have used this one, chat gpt have used this one, or even some can use this one logic too. And because there we are checking a number n has a divisor in pairs, and because of that one, okay, we are checking like a 36 2 into 18 or 3 into 12, like that one. So we are checking through that one, we are checking through that one, and because of that one, time complexity is very less. That means our time required to execute that particular code is very less. Okay, that explanation we are getting. Okay, exactly. If number is not prime, it must have at least one divisor. And checking divisibility, okay, like that one. Okay, example 49. Okay, we are checking only through the 7 to into 7. Okay, if it is equals to that number, okay, then we are saying that, okay, it is the like that. So this is how the logic has been explained. Then checking the divisibility, mod I is it equals to 0. And then finally, okay, we have the given this one explanation. So this is basically returning the true. If like a divisor, if divisor found, it is returning the true, and if divisor not found, it is returning the false, like that. And here basically at the last, you can just simply check. So by using the AI, you can not only generate the code, you cannot only generate the code, but you can understand the code step by step. Okay, so that, okay, if any code is written by someone you are not able to understand, it is okay, we have our friend, we have our friend ChatGPT, and we can just get the help from ChatGPT. Then after that one, very important third thing, basically you can just do with the help of the AI. That is the third one. Okay, I'm just going to say here, that is, okay, that is, I can say, yes, uh debugging. Debugging code. That means what? Okay, assume if your code have some errors, if your code have some errors and you are not able to understand, you are not able to understand. So you can see, okay, into our prime number here. Okay, if semicolon was missing, it was giving us the error. Semicolon was missing, it was giving us the error. But assume like I have just not used this bracket and I'm just going to this, and you can observe the code. Okay, here basically what it is saying, what it is saying here, I have not written the bracket, I just missed the bracket over there. And okay, try to run this, you can observe only semicolon and that bracket is missing, and you can observe it is giving me so many errors, 10 errors. And even it will not tell you the specifically that yes, Nitin sir, your bracket is missing. It will not tell you. It will not tell you. Here you can observe, okay, it is saying that error is there, class interface enum or record is expected. What it is saying? It is saying that, okay, it is, there is a error, class interface enum or the record is expected. Yes, and here below the bracket. Okay, so we are not able to understand. We are not, see this one bracket it is showing, and there actually opening bracket we are missing. So in that cases, okay, in that cases it is very difficult to understand. Okay, so hence if you are going to the GPT or chat GPT, okay, I'm just putting here this error. Okay, and we are just getting error, getting this error, this error, you can just tell. So you don't need to go to the Google directly, it can just give us the proper answer. So it looks like you might have syntax issue. What it is saying? Okay, it is simply saying that, okay, you might have some syntax issue, and even writing the error. Okay, writing the entire error problem, okay, after correcting this one. So you can see it looks like it might have the syntax issue, misplaced code in your prime Java. Below is the correct, okay, and the complete Java code. Okay, as already I have given this one, but if you are giving that code very first time, so it will not give you. So in that cases, okay, if you are not able to understand, you can just completely control A, control C. Okay, you can just go to the chat GPT, okay, or any other AI, and there you can just put here and it will support. Okay, I can just tell to the chat GPT, and you can see the chat GPT supporting us. There are few syntax error in your code. Okay, it is saying, hey Nitin sir, you missed the curly bracket after the method signature. because after the public void prime, okay, there should be the curly bracket, and you have missed. Then, Niteen sir, you have missed the semicolon. So because after the system.println, you must have the this one. And even there was the okay incorrect loop condition, we have put it like that one. It is simply saying. So you can just correct get the corrected code and write that one. So this is how okay even the error handling you can do. Even the error handling you can do okay with the help of a AI basically. AI basically. So the code which was taking a time, okay, or the to code the things which was taking the time, okay, to debug, to understand, or to write the code, AI within a fraction of second actually solving our problem. That we need to understand. That we need to understand basically. That we need to understand over here. Yes. So here basically, okay, here, okay, we tried this. So this is the third way. This is the third thing basically you can just go for debug. Okay, this is okay. Here basically I have the ChatGPT separate and Eclipse separate or the Notepad separate. But in Eclipse, you can integrate Copilot. Which one? Copilot. You can search on the Google. We have the Copilot that you can just embed inside your Eclipse. So you don't need to. If I have done anything wrong here, okay, immediately Copilot will help us. I don't need to copy and paste my code. I don't need to copy and paste. Okay, parallelly, the Copilot is going to run over there. Copilot is going to run over there. Okay, but this Copilot is, I have not included into this demo. Okay, it is there into the other sessions basically. I'm just going to, okay, discuss over there. But if you want, you can just go there. Okay, you can just go there and you can try to find out Copilot for Eclipse, okay, which is the AI basically, Copilot AI. Okay, for the Eclipse you can just search and you will get that. Okay, but you have to pay for that one. You have to pay for that one, and hence, okay, I have not shown here. Okay, but you can just try. Okay, one more interesting thing, okay, I want to, okay, show you here. Not only with this one, okay, I'm just going to introduce another one. Okay, one AI. See, we have ChatGPT, okay, we have here, okay, to get information, but there are the different AIs. Okay, for example, okay, I need to create the plan, something like that. So very specialized AI, okay, you can just see here. I'm just going to write a spelling here, PER, okay, PLE, okay, we can say XITY, okay, .ai. Remember this, Perplexity AI, Perplexity AI. So if I have to create a day-wise agenda of my learning, okay, I can just go to this Perplexity AI. Okay, no doubt, even the task can be done with the help of the AI, but I can just go there and we'll try to just show you, okay, how the Perplexity can work. Okay, I'm just showing you. You can go to the, I think it is okay. Do I have written here Perplexity? I think I have not written here. Can I just go to this? Okay, you can just search on this one. You can just go to the Google. You can just go to the Google and try perplexity.ai. Perplexity.ai. I think it is, I have generated through this one. Okay, we'll go to this. Okay. Yeah. Can you see this screen? Perplexity AI. Okay, no doubt for that one, you need the Google login. Okay, you need the Google login, and even it have the paid plan, okay, as well as a free plan. So as a student, you can use the free plan, no worries. Okay, so if you have to generate the schedule, okay, you have to generate the schedule. okay, you can just generate with the help of this one. So here you can observe, okay, ask follow-ups, ask the follow-up. So here you can observe, okay, into this one, can I generate, okay, 10-day schedule to prepare? Can you generate the 10-day schedule to prepare core Java interview for the Cognizant daily 2 hours? Give some tricky questions. Okay, so that means what I'm trying to ask to this Perplexity, I'm just trying, can you generate 10 days? Because assume, okay, you have the Cognizant for your campus, or you have the Cognizant interview schedule, schedule after the 10 days. Okay, and then you want that daily, you want to work for the 2 hours, okay, on this one. So I just ask him, okay, can you generate the 10-day schedule to prepare the core Java interview for the Cognizant daily 2 hours and give me that some tricky questions. Okay, if we want the answers to, you can just add. Okay, so I just ask this prompt and you can observe, yes, it is given me. Here is a structured 10 days preparation schedule for the core Java interview at the Cognizant, dedicating the 2 hours each day. Okay, and there you can observe, okay, what are the basic topics, okay, to the advanced topic, basically basic to advanced, object oriented. Okay, all the questions basically they have given. Okay, all the questions, okay, they have given, and it have been prepared the 10 days complete plan with the activities too. With activities you can just see, and even mock interviews and the problem solving too, it have been given. And then daily you can just work on that, you can just work on. So this schedule emphasize both theoretical knowledge and the practical coding skill essential for succeeding in a core Java interview at the Cognizant, basically. So the prompt whichever you are writing, that must be a specific, that must be a specific. What if you are putting the very specific prompt there, very specific prompt there, then you will get the specific answer. So like the ChatGPT, okay, here Perplexity is one of the AI basically that can help us. You can just Google, okay, the differences and all, and even you can ask ChatGPT, or you can ask to the Perplexity that what is the difference, okay, like that one, and you will get, okay, even in this one actually you can get the sources from where exactly you get this data. Okay, so that is basically the extra thing, it is given, okay, into the Perplexity. You can just search, okay, you can see the other things it is been given over here. Okay, this is the okay, another AI basically, okay, we have here. Then now I just want to, okay, I just want to give another one important thing basically, okay, related to this one. uh what is the problem basically I do have? Okay, I want that, okay, this is a very tough problem which I want to try. Yeah, okay, you can try this one, okay, by taking another example. That what I want the world map. Hope everyone with me, hope everyone with me. If yes, just put a quick yes message here in the chat, because I'm just going to explain very or I am just going to introduce a very new AI basically. You might have not heard about that. Yes, if yes, put a quickly yes message here in the chat, so I can understand you all are here and listening me very carefully. Yes, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you. Yes, yeah, yeah, great, great. See, this AI is going to mind blown. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, see, uh what I want that, okay, world world map should be, okay, visible to me. World map should be visible to me. Okay, you can try to the India map, you can try with the India map, or if someone can try with the Maharashtra map, okay, or any other state of the country map. Okay, what I want, that if I move the cursor on any region or any country, it should show me the name of that country. Yes, how much time will need this one to achieve this? I have to generate a world map. On that world map, if I move the cursor, if I move the cursor, if I move the cursor, it should show the country like that one. Okay, you have to generate the India map, and if you move the cursor on a state, it should tell you the name of that state basically. Okay, even the locations if you want. Like if you have the you can generate India map. Okay, you can generate the India map, and on that one, sorry, you can generate the Maharashtra map, and you can just ask the district. If I move the cursor on district, it will display your district, like that one. So if you have to take this, you have to generate this code, or if you have to write this code, if you have to understand this code, okay, you need so much time. But we are very thankful to the, okay, these AIs. Within a quick fraction of seconds, you can generate the code and you will have that particular, okay, code. So I just have generated this one. I'm just going to show you. Yes, I have the collab. I do have the collab as one of the generative AI. I do have the collab. Remember what I'm saying? Collab. You can just make a note somewhere here. Collab is one of the AI. Colab is one of the AI. You can just see. Even you can just search on the Google. Okay, there you can just write your code. Okay, and that will be a Python code, not a Java code. Okay, you can write your Python code there onto the Colab research.google.com. Okay, that you can just search and execute your, okay, particular code. So I can ask to the chat gpt, I can ask to the chat gpt, hey chat gpt, hey chat gpt, create a world map, create a world map, create a world map. And if I select if I select any state, okay, if I select any state, okay, then it should display the name of that. Okay, it should display the name of that one. So that I just want to, okay, do in front of you. Okay, so uh, 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 welcome to the collab. You can see, okay, I just went here and try to get this. Okay, I'm just going to sign in this because longer time actually I use this one. So just trying to show you. And is it okay if I extended this session for the next 30 minutes? Yes, yes. If I extended it session to the next 30 minutes, is it okay? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Please put a okay message here in the chat so I can understand. Otherwise, I can wound up within the next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, thank you, Sneha. Yes, thank you, Swati. Yes, quickly put a Priyanka, Riddhi. Yeah. And whatever I'm teaching, no one is going to teach you guys. Remember this. No one is going to teach you. Okay, no one is going to teach you. Remember this one. Okay, so I just have my things over here. And if those knows the Python, okay, if you have to write the Python code, you can just write print. And I'm just going to write, this is the Python code, simple. Welcome to Python. Welcome to the Python. Okay, I don't need anything. Okay, you can just click over here. Why it is asking me to log in again? I think I have shifted from one browser to another browser, and because of that, it is giving me a problem. Okay, welcome to the Python. Welcome to Python. Okay, I'm just trying to run this. It is asking me to, okay, leave म्हणतो मी याला. I'm leaving this. It is okay. Please join this. Okay, 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 okay. I think I do have the open this one too. Okay, proximity, perplexity, and title collab. Okay, I do have here. Okay, because you need Google login to work with a collab. Okay, so I do have this one. Yes, you can see here. Okay, I have already executed the code. And you can observe if I am moving the cursor. See, if I am moving the cursor, United States, ISO alpha. If I am moving Brazil, okay, Argentina, okay, South Africa, here, okay, Magsar, Australia, India, okay, then even here the small Gabon, okay, small countries from the Africa. If Zimbabwe, okay, Botswana, okay, Tanzania, if I'm going Congo, Dem, okay, here Namibia, like even small Gonia, even I don't know the Senegal. Okay, these are the okay. This is basically the code. It has been generated. It is the code which has been generated. So you can just see. I asked this one. Okay, just this is the code basically. Okay, I just have written. Okay, I got this one from the okay into the GPT. I just have to put the proper. I just have to put the proper what I say the prompt, and through that one everyone can able to do this one. If you have to do this one, okay, for the India, you can just try through the chat GPT and just come here into the collab, and there you can just try. Okay, you can just try. So this is basically how okay you can just generate. Now this collab is associated with here the Gemini. You can see Gemini is another one AI. Gemini is another one AI like a chat GPT. Okay, so you can just continue to this, and here actually you can get the support. You can just get the support. So you don't need to go for this one. Okay, you can just simply write a okay, can you generate whatever the code actually you needed. Okay, that you can just simply put here and it will work for that. So whatever the code you are requesting, okay, you can just get here and that can be put over here, and here on the run you can just play and it will be get executed. It will be get executed. So this is how the different AIs, this is how the different generative AIs are going to integrate with each other. Okay, these are going to integrate with each other, and through that, okay, they are giving you a very fast, quick, and the correct code. And hence, okay, in the yesterday session only I told you, generative AI is not going to replace a human, but definitely the person or the developer or the tester who knows the AIs, that is going to change, that is going to replace the person or replace you. And hence, if you don't want to replace by the person who knows the AI, try to practice on this, try to learn on this one, try to get into this one. Definitely, then definitely you will be easily get into this one. Yes, so this is how you can just use, this is how you can use the different AIs for the different technologies. And I already told you, okay, I'm very much comfortable starting from the C++, data structure for the logic building, okay, even the Java, okay, even the Python, even the full stack, both the Python full stack as well as the Java full stack, all the where actually I'm weak with. But I told to my student, okay, that you should not select only one technology. You have to gain a knowledge of all the technologies. Okay, then only do you have the multiple options to get into the job, because everyone's have the ultimately motive is what to get into the placement. Is there anyone who don't want the job? Is there anyone who don't want to, okay, don't want to get a salaries hike? Okay, you don't want to get more paid by the companies? Is there anyone? So I think no one is there. Everyone want to, okay, go into the upper level, and it will be get happen by maintaining the learning attitude. And in that learning attitude, not only the technology, okay, now this is the code actually given by the chat GPT. This is the code actually given by the chat GPT. Now those who don't know anything about the, okay, this code, okay, they will not able to understand where to put what exactly, as this is a single file. But if you have the file, okay, if you have the entire project, if you have the entire project, in that entire project there can be a multiple files. So if you don't understand the structure, if you don't understand the flow, if you don't understand the small technologies, okay, their flow execution, then even though you are good with the AIs, you will not able to execute that things. You will not able to put that code into the project basically. And hence, understanding a AI with understanding a AI with technology, that programming is very much important. So here actually basically, as I in the starting only I told you, there I'm just going to have okay these sessions for you guys. Okay, and that sessions, okay, that sessions, okay, I told you that there, okay, I just have given these things, okay, which are related to, okay, this one. Okay, now in that one extra things, okay, I'm just going to add, I'm going to teach you in detail, because see here there is no that much time, okay, available for us. We have the very less time, and in that one only I have to show, as this was the last session. Okay, so I just want to wound up the maximum things which I can, and that's the reason I tried to finish this one. Okay, but here actually if you are getting into these sessions, okay, there too I'm just going to show you the different AIs, and that AIs at least okay, 7 AIs actually I'm going to teach here. I shown you only the 3 4s over here, but there are the 7 AIs which are going to help us in our life, okay, whenever we are going into the technology world, if you are going into the corporate world. Okay, and if you want to survive there, okay, I'm telling to my student that future is about the AI. Okay, and it is not like since last 14 plus years Nitin sir is working for the Java, but now for you it will be not like that one, because drastically the things are getting changed. So if there can be a project on the in real world, there can be project on Java, there can be project on front end, there can be project on back end, there can be project on the any other technology. So you have to learn, you have to relearn, and you have to unlearn too. So there are some outdated technologies too that you have to put ahead, okay, behind, and then you have to come with the new things basically. So learning, unlearning, and the relearning, that process you have to do every 5 years, even though you are getting into the job. So now it is little okay, the challenging task you have. So get prepared for that, get prepared for that, get prepared for that. Yes, so this is basically the things which I want to show you. Okay, and I'm very sorry that okay, the JDBC or the database connectivity code I'm not able to show you, because we have the okay less time on that one. Okay, but okay, definitely if you are okay coming to these sessions, okay, I'm going to show you in detail everything. But still if someone, okay, who is not interested for the next sessions, so on my YouTube channel I told you already, okay, there are the sessions related to the database. Okay, I think 2 3 sessions are there, and these are the 6 hours, 2 hours each. Sessions are there related to the database, related to the database. I will put a okay who actually asked, I just will check, because I don't know who have been putted that message. Okay, related to the database. I'm just checking up. Give me a sec. Okay, so uh, again I miss. Again I miss. Okay, Riddhi, I think. Sir, can you please explain the okay database on Riddhi? Definitely on the WhatsApp group. I am going to put the video links on the JDBC. Okay, please go through that. And even not necessary you are going to join my future classes. If you are joining, welcome. If you are not joining, it is okay. I'm putting into the WhatsApp group, just go through that. And while going through that one, if you are coming with any issue, any question, just put a message into the chat. Okay, I'm going to support you, no worries. Okay, here it is not possible because we have the less time, but definitely you can do there. And even if I started working on the connectivity here, others who don't know the basics, even they will get missed. Okay, or they will get like, okay, yes, what it's actually going on. Okay, so for okay, for you Riddhi, I'm just putting that one into the WhatsApp group. Please go through that and try to learn. Okay, if you are coming with any question, any doubt, okay, I'm just going to support you. You can put me on the WhatsApp chat. Personally, you can put, okay, I'm going to help you. No worries. And for that one, not necessary. You have to, not necessary. You have to join these sessions. Okay. Okay, so this is basically the entire thing. Okay, I want to give you, okay, for the upcoming sessions. This is going to minimum 50 days. Actually, this training is there. Minimum 50 days. Okay, maximum it can be get extended. Depends on your adaptability. Okay, your learning attitude. Okay, it can be goes to the 60 days too. Okay, that means what, at least the 2 months duration, time duration actually it will take, okay, to complete all these things. And the total cost of this one, okay, which is the 42,000 rupees. Okay, I'm not considering the AIs, okay, over there. I'm not going to over there. Okay, but I want to give you for this one batch, okay, with the offer price. Okay, so how many of you want to know the offer price? Yes. Okay, how many of you wants to know the offer price? How many of you want to know the offer price? Yes. You want to buy? Okay. If you are not buying, it is okay. But how many want to know the offer price? Yes. Yes. How many of you want to know the, if no one wants to even, that is okay. I'm not going to reveal. That is okay. If you are not interested even, that is okay. But at least how many of you want to know what is exactly the Niteen sir is giving the offer price? Yes. I want to hear from you. Yes. Who wants to know? Who wants to know? No one? No one wants to know like offer price which I'm going to, okay, give here. Yes. Who wants to know the offer price? Okay. If you don't want to know, it is okay. If you don't want to buy, okay, it is okay. But at least, okay, these things I'm just going to, these things, okay, I'm going to give you. So at least you must, okay, know what exactly Nitin sir is want to give you. Yes. And with a free, okay, with a free, if I have given this much things, I have teach you these many things. So if you are going to pay me, then what exactly I'm going to give you, okay, that you can just imagine. Yes, because see, the teaching, okay, it is not only my profession. Basically, it is my passion, it is my junun. I enjoy the things, okay, while teaching you. Okay, it is not the thing like, yes, actually, anyways, okay, I have the class and I have to sit in front of you and I'm teaching. No, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. Yes. And thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Raj. Okay, I think, thank you, Swati. Yes, yes. So I just yes, see, the total price of this one is, okay, is like this one 42, but in offer price basically, and it is for the you guys here. Okay, the offer price I'm just giving, okay, offer price I'm just giving you, okay, and that is, okay, that is not even 10,000, not a 10,000. Okay, it's a not a 10,000. Okay, but I'm just giving you only 4,990 rupees. What I'm giving, 4,990 rupees. And in this one, you can see already I told you, okay, you are getting a complete core Java, which is absolutely free price actually. Okay, see, before the 10 years, I have taken the 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, this one. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the core Java, okay, advanced Java, JPA ORM. Okay, two project you are going to do. Okay, there we are going to see some SQL basics. Okay, and the Java new features basically. Okay, that cost is total 31,000 rupees. Okay, I'm going to help you in the interview preparation process. Okay, resume preparation process. Okay, and one Java book you are getting free. Okay, you are getting the free, and with that one 7 AIs I am going to provide you, and that is only okay in only 4,990 rupees only. Okay, and this is basically the cost. Okay, for 2 days only, those are just going to take this one. Okay, because 2 days only this price is there. Otherwise, actually, okay, for this one, at least core Java and advanced Java, okay, there will be a 10K. Okay, there will be a 10K, 10,000 rupees. Okay, others have to pay. Okay, if they are going, but if you are okay going to register yourself for this, okay, this price, okay, it will be for the 4,990 rupees. Okay, and again, you don't have to pay immediately that amount. Okay, you don't have to pay, only registration. You can just go with a registration. Okay, and that registration amount is okay only 1,000 rupees you can pay. Okay, remaining you can just pay later. Okay, you will get the installment. Okay, to go for this one. Okay, so that is actually the entire thing. Okay, you have to okay do here. Yes, and this is actually the very chiller price, very chiller price. Okay, I just have given. Okay, so if you are interested, you can just register. Okay, if you want, okay, if you want to get the link actually, or my okay, you what I'm what is putting here. Yes, how many months are complete this course? So already I told you, Sakshi, that it will going to take minimum 50 days, minimum 50 days. Okay, and the maximum okay 60 days. So within a 2 months, okay, you guys are going to learn all these things. Okay, you guys are going to all these things. Okay, and the for the registration, okay, you can just get okay the scanner. I'm just going to provide my scanner. You can just go through that. Okay, and you can scan and you can just register yourself with a 1,000 rupees. Okay, if you are not registering it right now, okay, so it will be goes to the 10,000. This is the offer price, okay, which I have given to you guys. Okay, so I'm just putting here into the chat. I'm just putting here into the chat. Those are interested, okay, they can register. Okay, all the things. Okay, I have not taken. Okay, I have not taught these things with such a less price. Basically, this is the very first time. Okay, I just have the passion. I just have the junoon. I have decided. Okay, that the at least 5,000 student I'm going to teach in 2025, and that is the reason basically. Okay, I'm just giving this one to you. Okay, so just putting here, just a second. Can somebody just put if those are from the mobile, can somebody put the link into the WhatsApp group, our meeting group meeting link? Yes, someone put into the WhatsApp group, so I just want to get that. 3 days master. Okay, I think I do have the link here. Okay, in the chat only I'm just putting this. And the amount which I have given here, okay, that is not that much bigger amount. Okay, it is the chiller amount only which I have decided. Okay, but by giving the money, you becomes a serious learner. And if you are the serious learner, if you are the serious learner, then definitely the definitely, okay, you will be okay going to achieve the things, okay, related to your learnings basically. And that is the reason, okay, I have put it this one here. If you are getting everything, okay, with such a less amount, you are going to serious that yes, I have paid the money, okay, so I should learn more, I should give my time, I should be a dedicated on that one. Okay, so this offer is valid for the classes, okay, or just what you are saying? Yes, this offer is valid for the offline classes or just for the online batch. Swati, this is only for the online. Offline, we have the big picture basically. Okay, and the offline batches I'm conducting the whole day basically. And for that one, okay, you have the some different things, okay, that will be get offered. Okay, you have the sitting arrangement, okay, but the student are not eligible for that. Pass out only student are eligible for the full day sessions. Okay, and the price which I am charging for the full day, that is even the more than the 70,000 rupees. Okay, including the placement and all, it is something different. Okay, but for the online this one, okay, this is the offer price. This is the offer price. Yes, Swati. Okay, and if you have, okay, yes, if you have registered yourself for this, okay, you can just put a screenshot over here so I can understand, yes, you have enrolled yourself. This offer is only for, okay, this offer is only for the online sessions. Okay, but these will be a not recorded sessions. These are the live sessions where you are going to ask me the questions. Okay, I am in front of you. Okay, and I'm going to help you from the very start to the your pro level. After these sessions, definitely I can guarantee you, you becomes a pro developer. You becomes the pro developer of the Java. If you becomes the pro developer of Java, okay, if you become the pro developer of Java here, then then definitely you can switch to the any other technology, I can guarantee you. Okay, and if you are feeling that after completing all the sessions, after completing all the sessions, you are, it is again very important thing, and that is I'm taking on my risk basically. If after completing all the sessions and you are feeling that yes, the amount you paid is not worth, I can give you a, okay, payback guarantee. So I can give you back your amount whatever you are going to pay. Okay, so that there will be a payback guarantee I'm just giving you. So after completing all these sessions, if you are feeling that okay, this is not worthful for me, yes, so you can just simply send me a mail, Nitin sir, okay, I learn from you and this is not the worthful. Yes, so please give us my money back. So like today I shared you my scanner, like that one only you are going to, okay, you are going to send me the scanner and I will send whatever the money you paid, okay, that will be back. Yes, Raj, okay, Raj, okay, there will be a certificate, there will be a certificate on that. And say Sneha, for this free master class you will get the certificate in the next week. Definitely will get the certificate in the next week. Yes, okay. Yes, Sneha. Okay, so this is what basically I just have. Okay, we have the 3 more minutes. If you have any questions, anything you want to say, you can ask at our mails or WhatsApp, sir, the certificate for this class. Okay, in the both places, you will get the link from where you can download that. Okay, yeah, yes. So we have the next 2-3 minutes. If you have any question, okay, you can ask me. Anything you want to ask me, okay, I can answer you. No worries. And it is okay if you are not taking my sessions, okay, if you are not enrolling for the advanced sessions, that is okay. No problem. Okay, stay connected, but learn from anywhere. Learning should not be a skip. You can skip the Nitin sir. Yes, you can skip the Nitin sir. You can skip the Nitin sir, but you cannot skip. You cannot skip. You cannot skip the learning, because if you are skipping the learning, okay, you are skipping your success. You are skipping your dreams. You are skipping your dreams, your parents' dreams, your life dreams. Yes. Okay. So it is okay if you are not learning from me, but try to learn from the person. Select the mentor. Select any mentor. Okay, that can transform your life. Select any mentor. Select any mentor. He can transform your life. If not, you are selecting the Nitin sir as a mentor. That is okay. That is completely fine. That is completely fine. But select the person, okay, who can change your life. Select the person who already walked on the path, so that okay, he can just hold your hand and help you in your life journey, help you in your tech journey, help you in your corporate journey, basically. Okay. Yes. And Nitin sir already have walked. Okay. Nitin sir have already helped thousands of students, okay, while going through that particular path. And I know, okay, if you guys are coming with me, okay, definitely, okay, I'm going to support you. I'm going to help you. And here, thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for registering over here. Priyanka, this decision, whatever you have taken here, that is going to change your life. I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you. And that the whatever this decision you have taken, okay, that completely transform your life. That will completely going to transform your life. That I can guarantee you. And if you think that okay, it is not going to happen, okay, if you after few days, few months, if you are thinking that okay, it is not happening, you can ask me, Nitin sir, please, this is my scanner. Yes, please give my money back. And this amount you will get back. This amount you will get back. Okay. So that was the thing. Okay. And hope everyone have okay attended all these days. Okay. Those have okay give you the reviews about this master class, okay, they are completely eligible for the certificate. It is very important. As I said, if you are not giving the review, your feedback about the 10 days master class, 13 days master class, okay, then you are not become the eligible for the certificate of this one. Okay. So please do that one. Give the review. Okay, you can just give the review on the WhatsApp. Okay, you can give the review on the okay YouTube channel there too, or even on the Google too. You can just search Nitin sir Ghodke, okay, icons technology by Nitin sir, okay, on the Google review too. You can get there, you can put your messages. Okay, that will help Nitin sir as well as the students a lot. Okay. And those are doing this one, those that these are only eligible for the certificates. We have only few students here. I have taken the batch only for the, I think, 10 to 30 student only. Okay, I got the registration about the 160. Okay, but only attended the 30. So from that 30 regular student was there 12 to 15 student. So I am expecting from all you 15 student that okay, please give me the review. Whatever you have the review, if you have something bad about this, okay, you can put there. I'm very happy. I want the genuine review from you. I want the genuine review from you. Okay. So, and that feedback, that links, okay, you can just share me the screenshot. Okay. You will get the links of your certificates. Okay. I think we are running out of time. Thank you so much for your support. And okay, the offer which I have given to you, I I'm putting this one open for the next 2 days. I'm putting that one for the next 2 days. Next 2 days. Okay, even if it is possible, okay, you can register on the same price. I'm not going to increase that one. Okay, just by after the payment, you can just send me the screenshot on WhatsApp personal chat. Okay, and you will be get enrolled on this program. Yes, that's it from my end. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your the interaction you have given. For thank you so much for your time. It was a very precious and the important time yours too. Okay, and it was a great learning for me too. Yes, you were the very great audience. Thank you so much. Enjoy all. All the best. See you. Hmm. Oh.